Right, another one done. And now we're off to the Indian motorcycle store, I think it's called. I had a quick look at the cafe, but it looked really busy, so I think next time I'm just gonna have to bring some food with me, because I can never decide where I want to eat. So I had a look and we are kind of pretty much on schedule. I think maybe I'm like half an hour behind where I wanted to be. I did actually get to the first point around 20 minutes late, and I didn't factor in any breaks between each thing, so you know what, we're actually doing all right. So I just stopped off in the petrol station and grabbed a Monster and some sausage rolls. Keep me going. And then I'm just going to keep an eye out for somewhere decent to have a break. Country road on the right soon. It looks like it's by a park or something. That might be a nice place. Let's see if we can find it. Just want somewhere a bit quiet and just chill for a minute. Haberley Valley. I guess that's it. We could go check out Haberley Valley. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Down here? Let's go see, it might be a nice spot to have a break. Hopefully not got to pay for parking or anything. What does it say? Oh, nature reserve. It says please park in the main car park only. It doesn't say if you have to pay. Oh, maybe we can tap through here. There's also little spots around here we could stop at if we wanted to. Let's have a look. Must be a car park. Let's go back here. Hey guys, so I just had a quick break in this nature reserve. I just saw on the route, it was down here, so I just turned off and then I had something to eat, had my Monster, feeling good, and it was nice having a bit of time just to chill out catch my breath, take a breather, and now we're back out on the road. Oh, more potholes. Oh man. Oh, so many potholes. But yeah, just to give you an update on how it's going so far. So we're about an hour behind on the schedule, but that's okay. I mean, worst case scenario, I think we're allowed to ride until 10 PM and still get the award. Now, I'm hoping that won't happen. I'm thinking like maybe 6 or 7 will be when I finish. So I've got to keep trucking on. We're going to get to this next point in about 10 minutes. But I'm feeling good. I'm enjoying the ride. I kind of wish it was a bit sunnier, but I'm glad it's not raining anymore. And yeah, I feel better for having something to eat. So now, let's get to this next point. That's where we were, Haberley Valley. Haberley Valley. Alright. And we're going to Boodley. Let's keep going. Oh, there's something crazy going on this bit of road. We'll figure it out. There's some bikers. Could be doing the valley too. Yes. Maybe. They're not the friendliest bikers, those ones. Although sometimes I feel like maybe people nod and it's easy to miss it, especially when you're you know, concentrating on riding. Because sometimes I watch a video back and I see like people nodded at me and I didn't even notice. Wait a second. This is telling us to go up here, turn round, and then come back on ourselves. Why? We could have just turned right. Or you're not allowed to turn right there. Weird. Maybe when we go back we might be able to see if we weren't allowed to turn right. Yep, definitely this one. What the hell, man? I trusted the sat nav and think he let us down a little there, but in the grand scheme of things, it probably added what, 30 seconds on the journey, so no need to stress about it. So yeah, this is the one we came out of, and oh look, see, no right turn. Okay, all right. Sat nav, I apologise. You done good. My bad. That explains why it was such a weird route. Oh, diamond bar. Shining bright. Oh my god, I thought you were going to get me there. Okay, going through here. And looks like we're going to cross over the river. And we're getting close now. God, there's so many people pulling out. Welcome to Beardley. This van's so close behind me, man. This is cute. Quaint. really nice little twisty. Didn't get there, that's fine. Alright, just a couple of minutes away. Next up. Okay, really close now. Indian motorcycle Birmingham. Oh yeah, she is up there. Is this the way in? Oh yeah, yeah, see it.